Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I don't know kung nag-stream na. Tingnan natin. Okay, starting. Live stream talaga. Start na ba na streaming? Yun. Okay, we'll just do some editing on the title. Hindi siya signing. Dapat. Naririnig kaya ako. Naririnig kaya ako. Ayan. Lakas. So, CSS Battle. Dot CSS Battle. Testing. Palitan natin to. Oops. New game I found called CSS Battle. Didn't get. Hello, testing mic. Ang hina ata ng audio. Okay, so start ka na live. Alright, so I stumbled upon CSS Battle on YouTube. Ang curious ako. And yeah, I wanted to try it. Kasi tagal na rin ako hindi nag-CSS. And oops. Ooh. Ooh, what was that? Parang bakit ang internet ko ngayon ah? Okay, so ang ang golden game is ito yung target na na image and i-recreate siya sa CSS gamit ng CSS. So we will have to copy this image, the target image, by using the CSS codes. Okay, so tagal na rin akong hindi nag-code ng CSS. And ang knowledge ko, my knowledge with CSS is just basic. Basic. Kasi I did not learn it in school. I learned it with, by browsing. Everyone knows W3 school, so dun lang ako. And I was developing website before for myself when I was working in Teleperform in the old company that I actually work on. All right, so we will try to replicate this image. This is the Battle 16, number 96, the mandala. I have tried other video or other image and I copied it 100%, but uh, the goal in this game is to create this in CSS in a short code or using shortest characters you can type or you can enter. Right, so start natin. Alright, so una kong gagawin, copyhin ko yung background. So the background is there. So type natin HTML and then try natin BG kung gana. I haven't tried this before. No, hindi ko man ang BG. So, background. Alright. So, may ano, may help silang ginawa dito sa site na to. Like, you can actually trace if you are in the right spot or in the right pixel to make sure you are getting the right image. Now, what I did here, I think I have tried 10 games already, 10 image. And it is really easy to use the difference kasi you don't have to, ano, you don't have to do this. Kasi in order for you to see if you're on the right track, you have to hover your mouse on the output box. And what will happen is that you have this div right now, this box. And when you hover on it, it will show the target image behind your output. So you can actually trace if you're low or if you're skewed. Yeah. Um, but it's, it's normal naman na we can actually work on it. Um, so what I'll do is I'll click on the difference and then okay, work on my CSS. Now I see here we got a circle, a big circle. Probably this is 200 by 200 square, 50%, 50% radius, and probably there are one, two, three, four circles. Now it's been a while, so let's try this out. So on the first div, what we'll do is create the circle. Now let's make a class. I usually use class, so A1. A1 is the first image, which is the first div. So let's write it. So what we're going to do is we're going to remove this one. So dot A1, we will call it dot A1. So that's 100, 200%, 200 pixels. Yep, 200. And position is absolute. Now on this game, I haven't seen uh, this is a timed game kasi probably it's two-person will just compare what their score is when they're done. So let's make it round already. Border radius is 50%. Sana mag-work. Sana makipag-work ang mouse ko. Ang keyboard ko pala. Alright, so we got that. So the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to position it. So we got margin 0 by 0, 0, 0. Now, if you guys don't know, the first 0 is the top. So we will probably that's 20, no, that's 40 pixels. Yep. And the space probably it's 60 pixels. Nope. 80 pixels. Alright, probably it's 90. 90. Okay. Nope. It's 91. 91 pixels. Now, if we're going to change the color of this one, what will happen is if we're on the right track, this whole thing will become black as the same color as it will be the same color as the background. Oops. So we have to adjust it. So 90, it's not 90, so we have to put it down a little bit. Whoops, did we get it right? Let's try 42, 43, 40, 40. That's, okay, we'll just work on this one. Now, if we're going to check to find out if we are on the right position, this image will not should not go down. That means if this top here goes down, we are still on we're still a bit high. So let's try 42. Okay, it's not jumping anymore, but it's jumping on the side. Okay, so we're on the right track on the circle. Now what we're going to do is this part here. We can do two things here. We can make a circle that will uh, what will happen is that we can actually um, reduce um, make it a bit smaller or make it squint like an eye. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to do one, two, three, four circles, and I'm going to put that on top of each other. So that means four circles. Okay, so one, two, three, four. Okay, we will call this B1. This is B2. This is B3, and this is B4. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to make a circle. I'm not sure, but probably it's the same size as the middle one. So we will have probably just copy this one. No, we'll just have to create a new uh, I don't know, it's class. Um, so I got B1, and we will make it with a circle of 160 px. So that's the width. Of course, we're going to have to put it in position of absolute. Position absoluteness. Okay. So since this is not time, we can actually make sure that we are on the right track when we are writing this, making this. Okay. So the next one is the background, so we can see this background of. Let's make it red. Ooh, where did it go? Oh, why do I have that? Okay. So I think it's not 160. Let's try it with 100 first, and then we will adjust it later. Okay, 100. And we will give it a border of, let's make it 20 pixels. I think it's 20 pixels, probably. Okay, and then solid, and then color it red. Okay, background is, I don't know if transparent will work. So let's not just put the background. Say what we need is a clear circle. Okay, but with the border. All right, so we will make the border with radius of 50%. Okay, on the right track. Okay, so margin is, let's make the margins now. So we will just have to move it to the right here. So the left spaces will be, let's say, what what's the spaces there? 90. All right, 91px. No, it's not. It's 100. It's 101. 110. Okay, so it's 109, 8, 108 pixels, and we will just have to adjust the width into 40. Is it right? Height 40, and then nope, make it 120, 120, 130. Okay, I think we got the right size, so we're just going to adjust the spaces. Probably we will have to push it up. So we will minus 10, minus 20, minus 40. Oops, 20 x. Let's make it 18. 18px. Okay, so 18. Let's add a little bit more. A little bit more here. Oops. I think we're on the right track. So let's just put this into this color. Okay, I think that's a bit skew. Let's make it one. All right, zero. All right, nope, make it 20. Okay, so we got that right. So we will just have to duplicate this, and then we will have to adjust the spaces. But we will have to adjust the spaces. Let's try it out. So that's B1, B2, B4. So B3 and B2. All right. Okay, so we will have to just this. We will have to adjust this as so. 30, nope, 50, 70. Oh, what am I doing? So this one is 50. Then we'll just have to adjust this to 20. Oh, 20. I'm on the right track. Let's change the color to red again. Okay. So that's a bit lower. Just it's a bit lower. 5. 9. Nope. 8. Okay. I think that's fine. So let's make this 30, 31, 32. Okay, let's change the color. Okay, so it turns black. All right. The next one is this one. So we know that it is 32, 32 pixels from the left. So if we're going to change, okay, we're going to change the spaces here to 58 because it's on the right space, on the right spot, and then we will make this uh, 168. It's not enough. 178, 88. Oh, that's too much. 70. Okay, change culture again. That's a bit far. 80, 81. Oops, 82. Okay, that's good enough. All right, so this one is let's make it 108. Oops, 128. Let's make it red first. Red. Okay, so it's a bit high, so we will make it low. 4. T, that's 30. It's a bit high. There. So let's see. It's black. Okay. So if you load this, okay. So the main circle is jumping a bit. I'm not sure anymore. Okay. So this one is. Oops. Wrong. Wrong. Okay. So this one should be 41. 40. Okay. 41. And this should be 90. Incorrect. 92. Okay. Oh my goodness. It's 42. So that's nice. Okay. So this one. So this one is a bit low. Wrong. I mean this one. We're going to fix that one first. So that's B2, 7. Okay, we got it right on the first try. Okay, so if you'll notice, the circle, the background circle is shaded black because we had it in the correct position, and we will work on. Okay, so on image on B1, we are jumping to the right. So let's make it 9. Oops. So the original image is 7. Probably so. Okay, that's nice. So that's correct. And we are going to work on the bottom one. So it's jump. This is my image, and this is okay. Background. All right. So 4 is 97. See? Ooh. And this one should be 30 or 32. Oh yeah, nice. Okay, so the only problem now is this one. So this is a bit low. Because when you hover on it, the the target image shows high. Okay, so this one is very low. And that image is B3, I think. 57. Alright. Let's see. It's all black. Okay. So this time we are 100%, but we will try to make it. Ah, never mind. Call it the shortest way. Hmm. What if? Okay, let's make it a bit. Uh, class B1. Let's make it border. C B0. Okay, let's try this out. Say, according to the rule, let's try it out first. We can put it back together later on. Okay, let's copy this first and then put it uh, in a notepad, a new notepad. Where's my notepad? Here it is. Come on. That's on the show. Okay, let's just. Oh my goodness. This is not working for me. Okay, there it is. Alright, so we just copied it in the notepad. So what we're going to do is we're going to try to make our circles uh, into one. Okay, so that means all of this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 lines will be in one uh, class. So that's class B0 margin So we'll just have to copy this, put it here, and then what we're going to do is try to delete this. See if it changes. Uh-oh. Okay, so B1. Oh, yeah. All right, so delete that. Border radius equals to 8, 50%. Percent, right? Yep, 50%. So it didn't move, didn't move, didn't move. All right, nice. Okay, so still 100%. Yeah, in the right position. So let's try it. Submit it. Okay, the score will appear here. Oops, it's a 99% match. Why? It's 99% match. Why? It's match. Everything is match. Hmm, what could be the problem? Well, I think, huh, I don't know what happened, but I got it 100%. It's 99% match. Oh well. Oh well, oh well, oh well. Alright, let's find the leaderboard. Let's see top 100. So, 16. What is this number? 96 Mandala. No runner-ups. Oh, really? Ah, all players. Pokeball. Okay, I made this Pokeball before. Before I created my, before I went online. Let's put this here. Okay, so right, so let's see how far did we get. And I didn't get. Ah, I didn't even get 100%. But the scores is, how are they getting that scores? Huh. But I'm still getting 100. That's okay. All right, so uh, let's try another one. Another one. Okay. Okay, so I got a 600 here. I don't know how it's being scored, but I got 600, 600.1, 600.2, 6. I don't know. Let's just finish this. Okay, so I've been working from. I've been playing for this game. I started 16, and I'm not sure what I'm doing, but yeah, I started with battle number 16, and then I decided to start from 1. So number 1. Come on. Alright, so I finished all number 1 targets. The next one I'm playing on is number 4 display, and this is the last one on this game. So the highest one is Gabriel, I'll see if I'll get the same score as he did. Still getting 600. Okay, but all right. So I have these tabs here. Okay, and then let's delete these. Okay. So the first thing that we do is we are going to adjust the background color, same as the target ones. And then what we're going to do is, let's see how we're going to make this. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. So that means 8 divs. So, okay, so divs has the same size. Uh, so we'll just have to make div. I don't know what size do they have. That's 50. So the width is 50 px. Oh my goodness. 50 px is height. Oops. Height is 50 px. Border. No border. So, uh, so for this one, let's make a background of uh red. Okay. So we got div one. Let's make 8 divs. I don't know. It's 8. One, two, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. So 8 divs. So 8 divs. All right. Wow. So let's make a position of absolute. Okay, so absolute. So a while ago, what we find is that every div is on a single line here. So what we're going to do is we're going to position it absolute. Absolute. So everybody is compressed here on top. Now, what we're going to do is get the positions right. Alright, so we will divide it into two. Uh, so what we're going to do next is we're going to get the zero, the O's. Okay, so we will make the circle ones from zero. How many circles are they? Four. 4 circles. C, 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 C. Oops. C, 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 C. Okay, I'm coming over. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Oh, stay here with Daddy. All right. So, what we're going to do first is we're going to apply. Oh, oh no. Up. So one,
That's
two.
circle. That's circle.
Yeah, circle. CP, CP,
What's that?
CP.
It's
It's what? Read
it's
it. Read it.
it's
It's what?
it's
It's
it's it's
it's.
it's.
So CC. We're going to make it. Give it a border of
That's what you doing.
radius. I'm creating a video.
Video.
Yeah, 2%. Okay. All of the. Okay, let's try if it works first.
Hey, that look. Hey, that look.
Okay, everybody, everything is circle. Okay.
Circle. What? That's square. That's square.
Yeah, that's
That's
square.
square.
Yep. Yep.
That's square. Where?
Yeah. And CP. CP. Border. Oh no. So we got
Hey,
three.
that look.
What are you doing? C C.
It's right there. See? What does it's right there? See? It's right there. It's right there.
Yeah, it's right there.
See, it's right there. It's right there.
Yeah.
It's right there.
Hi. Hi, Arkeen.
Hi.
Hi, welcome back to my channel. Say it.
Wait. Did that today?
What?
Oh, it's right there.
Yeah. So what we're going to do is since we got a cup upside down and then two cups right side up, what we're going to do is we're going to create CP1 and
What?
dot CP2. So we're going to create a border. Uh,
Hey,
Top,
look. Hey, look. Hey, look.
left,
What square? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6,
radius
5, 4,
of
3, 9, 4, 8, 4.
border, top, right, radius is. Oh my god, I don't know how to spell. Let's go. So we got radius of 50% here. Oops, 50%. And border bottom. So CP2 is upside down and CP1 is right side up. Left radius is 50%. Border bottom right radius is 50%. So when I put a semicolon here, this should be all, not all circles. Okay, still square. Okay, all right. So the next thing that we need to do is we're going to adjust. Okay, so we're going to position the uh, all the C's first. CC. So you got one, two, three, four. Love to. So got one, two, three, four. Got A1. So what we're going to do first is the margin from top to this side. It's about 100 pixels. Oh no, 80. Okay, so left will be put it 60 pixels. So we're a bit high too, and then a bit. Okay, skip. So the background is this one. All right, one out. So let's try this out. Make it a bit shorter as well. A1. I don't know if this will work better. Let's try it out. So A2, 82. Let's make it origin. 120. Let's try it. 140, and then 180, 160. Ooh, 140. 130. All right, we're on the right track. So let's make this 50 and make this 27, 30, 51, 52. Then make this 1, 2. All right, did I put the right color? Oh yeah, let's just change the colors later. But I'm doing the right thing. Yeah, I'm doing the right thing. Yep, I am. Okay. So next is dot A3. Could just put this like this. Margin BX BX BXXX BX. Oh, okay. So we got 152 and 160. Ooh, 80. Ooh, 200. Ooh, 207. 202. Hmm, right. That a three. So A3 is not the same color as the two. So this one is A3 and the background is the lightest one, like yellow. Okay. All right. Okay. So the next one is A4, which is dot A4. So let's just copy this one because they are on the same line, but with different spaces. 200, 240, 270. Oh, so good. A.4. All right. All right. So we will just put the cups together. We got A5 to A5 and A6. No. Which one? C1, CP1. CP1 is right side up, right side up. Yeah, that that's A5 and A6, A5 and A6. So that's same margins as no. That's let's just change this. 152. All right, that's 62. And then color is color yellow. A5. Oops, that A5. Okay, so got A6 as well. 6. And then this one has the same height. Hmm, which one is it? This one. 3. No, 272. 2 272. All right. Color is not A6. A6. So the margin for this one is this 82. So let's just copy and paste this. So 7, right? And then 82. Okay. So this one is this dot A7. All right. Am I getting it right? So this one is 6.2. Right, 6.2. Did I get it? Right. 1.3. 1.3.2. Oh, I'm wrong. Ah, that's fine. Okay, so the last one is A3. So A3 and A8 has the same position, but the other one is on top. A8, it's this one is 82. Okay, then this color is at 8, A8. Okay, so much shorter and much nicer. Yeah, I just forgot how it works. Okay, let's try it. What's your score? 100. Where are they getting 117? 170. Okay, it doesn't matter. We have it. We have it done. Okay, okay. So we finish everything in this number for battle. So let's see on number 5. What are we going to do next time? So I already did this. Oh no, it's the same. So this one, and then this one. Ooh. Should I do this now? Next time, no. Okay. So if you really like this video and you want to see more, just click on the like button, subscribe, and if you want to know more, just comment. I would love to read your comment. Thank you.